Do you want to start investing in crypto and you have no idea where to start? This is the perfect video just for you. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the 10 best cryptos to invest in. But before this video starts, please like and subscribe. Let's get into the video. Bitcoin. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by someone under the fake name Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin is the original cryptocurrency. As with most cryptocurrency, Bitcoin runs on the blockchain or a ledger logging transaction distributed across a network of thousands of computers. Because additions to distributed ledgers must be verified by solving a cryptographic puzzle, a process called proof of work, Bitcoin is kept secure and safe from fraudsters. Bitcoin's price has skyrocketed as it become a household name. In May 2016, you could buy a Bitcoin for about $500. As of January 2022, a single Bitcoin's price was over $46,000. That's a growth about 9.200%. Ethereum. Ethereum is both a cryptocurrency and a blockchain platform. Ethereum is a favorite of program developers because of its potential applications, like so-called smart contracts that automatically execute when conditions are met and non-fungible tokens (NFTs). Ethereum has also experienced tremendous growth. From April 2016 to January 2022, its price went from about $11 to over $3,700, increased over 33,500,000%. Binance Coin. The Binance Coin is a form of cryptocurrency that you can use to trade and pay fees on Binance, one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world. Since it launched in 2017, Binance Coin has expanded primarily facilitating trades on Binance exchange platform. Now it can be used for trading, payment processing, or even booking traveling arrangements. It can also be traded or exchanged for other forms of cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum or Bitcoin. Its price in 2017 was just $0.10. By January 2022, it had been risen to around 520%. Tether. Unlike some other forms of cryptocurrency, Tether is a stablecoin, meaning it's backed by fiat currencies like US dollars and the euro, and hypothetically keeps a value equal to one of those denominations. In theory, this means Tether's value is supposed to be more consistent than other cryptocurrencies, and is favored by investors who are worried of the extreme volatility of other coins. Solana. Solana, developed to help power decentralized finance, uses decentralized apps and smart contracts. Solana runs on a unique hybrid proof of stake and proof of history mechanism that helps it proves transactions quickly and securely. Sol, Solana's native token, powers the platform. When it launched in 2020, Sol's price started at $0.77. By January 2022, its price was around $171, a gain of more than 22,000%. Cardano. Somewhat late to the crypto scene, Cardano is notable for its earlier embrace of proof-of-stake validations. This method expedites transaction time and decreases energy usage and environmental impact by removing the competitive problem-solving aspect of transaction verification present in platforms like Bitcoin. Cardano also works like Ethereum to enable smart contracts and decentralized applications, which are powered by ADA. It's a native coin. Cardano's ADA token has had relatively modest growth compared to other major crypto coins. In 2017, ADA's price was $0.0 As of January 2022, its price was at $1.34. This is an increase of 6,600%. USD dollar coin. Like Tether, USD coin is a stable coin, meaning it's backed by US dollars and aims for a 1 USD to 1 USDC ratio. USDC is powered by Ethereum, and you can use USD coin to complete global transactions. XRP created by some of the same founders as Ripple, a digital technology and payment process company. XRP can be used on that network to facilitate exchange of different currency types, including fiat currencies and other major cryptocurrencies. At the beginning of 2017, the price of XRP was $0.006. As of January 2022, its price reached $0.83, equal to a rise of more than 13,700%. Terra is a blockchain payment platform for stablecoins that relies on keeping a balance between two types of cryptocurrencies. Terra-backed stablecoins such as Terra USD are tied to the value of physical currency. Their counterweight Luna powers the Terra platform and is used to mint more Terra stablecoins. Terra stablecoins and Luna work in concert according to a supply and demand. When a stablecoin's price rises above its tied currency value, users are incentivized to burn their Luna to create more of the Terra stablecoin. Likewise, when its value falls compared to its base currency, this encourages users to burn their Terra stablecoin to mint more Luna. As adoption of the Terra platforms grows, so too does the value of Luna. From January 2021, when its price was $0.64, Luna has risen over 14,300% to $92.64 a year later. Polkadot. Cryptocurrency may use any number of blockchains. Polkadot aims to integrate them by creating a cryptocurrency network that connects the various blockchains so they can work together. This integration may change how cryptocurrencies are managed and has spurred impressive growth since Polkadot's launch in 2020. Between September 2020 and January 2022, its price grew about 925%, from $2.93 to $30.4. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions, just ask them in the comments and I will answer them. And before this video ends, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.